Hello, good morning mga super teachers. For today's upload or for today's video is maghimo ta or we will be showing you or I will be showing you unsaon paggamit ang Google Classroom para atong gamiton as another way of communicating to our students or sending learning materials to other students aside from modular na atong gigamit karon nga panahon. So of course, una is i-open lang nimo ang imong Google Classroom nga app if you are using cellphone or pwede pod na siya sa laptop. Just go to Google Apps. And then, kung wala pa, pwede ka mag-install ana through Play Store. So for example, so if you can see no, na dinhi ang mga online nga way para makamita or maka-communicate sa atong student. So mao ni ang sulod sa cellphone sa maestra karon, puro na ani. Char. Okay, so let's start. So atong i-click ang atong Google Classroom. So for example, okay, actually naka-create na ko for pila ka section. So naa pa koy kuwang kay I have six section I mean. And then this one, ubos, is that's for my masteral class man. Okay. So, I am handling science and then grade 10. So, if you could notice, na din ha ang subject, grade level, and section. So, simple ra. Unsaon man pagka-create, aron makahimo ka og every section sa imong klase. So, if you could notice, diri sa ubos, na siya plus sign, imo lang na siyang i-click. And then, kung ikaw ang ikaw ang mo appeal sa class, if you want to look at or member na ka sa usa ka class, i-click nimo ang join class. But since, for example, you are the teacher, so you are the one to create a class. So, click create class. And then, mao ni ang imong makita. So, you just have to fill in what are the necessary information nga gi-asked. For example, class name. So, say for example, you name it based on the subject you are handling. For example, Science 10. Kay grade 10 man ang imo akong klasihan. And then section, Dartfish. Shout out Sir Julius Hincianos. And then room. So for example, ika-5th section man nako, kulang butangan og 5. So it's up to you but pwede ra sad butangan nimo og room number or dili. And then subject, science. And then as simple as that. Just fill in the necessary informations and then click mo on the upper right side, click create. Okay, so what lang no kay hinay ang internet. Okay, once you have created that one, so you will be redirected to this page. So this is now your Google Classroom. So this is, if you could notice at the lower part, left part of your screen sa stream, mao ni ang mugawas, mao ni mo makita. You have now your you have created now your class for section Dartfish. So for example, if you could notice, wala pa'y naka-stream din ha, kay wala pa man kay gi-post nga it could be learning material, and then or kaha ang imuhang mga output nga gustong ipapas, so wala pa. So I will be showing you unsa may naa sa Google Classroom. So mao na ang sa stream. Sa classwork, let's click classwork. Okay, you haven't created any classwork yet. So, wala pa. Kaya wala pa man ka nag-post. So, actually, if you will click classwork, once naka-create na ka, dinhi manggawas unsa tong imong mga classwork nga imong gi-share sa imong mga student. Then, on the right side is people. People, i-click nimo ang people. So, duha ang mogawas diha. It could be the teacher, the name of the teacher. Actually, if kung ang imong usa ka co-teacher is wala pud siya cellphone, wala siya laptop, actually pwede ra pud mo mag-collaborate that you just need to add dinhi sa teacher kaning upper right, pwede man nimo siya paapilon. Ikaw lang gihapon ang maggunit ani nga account. So help na gihapon sa imong co-teacher. So i-add lang nimo siya. Then, in adding your co-teacher, pwede ra ka mag-send sa iyaha through a certain link. See, for example, for other subject teacher, for example, ikaw ang advisory class, so ang subject teacher pwede nimong i-add para ma-notify gahapon siya unsay mga or unsay iyang ipamalihog nga i-post sa imuhang class. Then, there is a lower part are the students. So, these are now the part we're in. Naadinhi ang students for every section. So, there are two ways that you could invite your students. It could be you could create share your link or copy link and then isend nimo through. It could be through your messenger or group chat sa inyong messenger. So, for example, kung atong i-share ang link sa student, see, for example, I am sharing this one to our group chat sa Messenger. Then, imo lang siya. So, you can leave a message. Please click the link. Link for section Dartfish. Okay, so please click the link for section Dartfish, meaning only those from section Dartfish ang pwede ani nga classroom. So ato lang siyang i-send sa among group chat science. Okay, so actually if you could notice no, daghan kayong group chat ang maestra karong panahon na. Okay, click na to. Okay. So, once na-send na siya, so, balik ta sa atong Google Classroom. Okay, so you have now invited your students. So, mauna siya ang sa people. So, that's it. That is for your Google class. So, this time, I will show you how to add classwork. Say, for example, we will be posting. For example, one student of mine asked if he could pass the soft copy of his output. So, pwede nga diri sa Google Classroom makapass ang estudyante. So, no need for them to go to your school. Especially nowadays nga dili ba pwede magawas-gawas ang mga bata below 21, I think. Okay, because of our situation. So, this is another way wherein even though layo ang imong student, makapas gihapon sila sa ilang mga output. So, all you need to do is click at the right bottom part of your screen na ay plus sign din ha. I-click na siya and then you will be redirected to this what you can see on your screen is you could post assignment, question, material. Say material, it could be kung ang imong soft copy sa imong module, pwede nimo i-send dira. Reuse post, meaning nagamit na nimo. So, for example, in your other class, pwede nimo siyang i-post dia or topic. Any topic that you want, pwede nimong i-post din ha. For example, we will click assignment. Say, for example, you just need to fill in the necessary information nga gipangayo. For example, the title. What is the title for your assignment? So, they are asked to make mantle convection pamphlet. And then, on the description, you can write on that part or not since it's optional. But since, para usahay baya, no? Di dayon makagets ang estudyante. So, you have to write or specify the direction on what to do on their output. So, for example, number 1, make a mantle convection pamphlet. So, you just need to type and then please see attached file for the rubrics. So, since this is an output, so dapat na jud na yung rubric so that they will be guided para sa ilang output. So, please see attached file for the rubric. So, later I will show you how to attach file. Then, 3, you can use any material or recycled material for your output. Okay. And then, on the points, say, it could be, you could give a point, or kung dili ka ganahan, na wala lang na siya grade, it could be, you can click ungraded. So, 15 points. Due date, kung gusto ka nga walay due date that you could still pass, pwede rasan. So, we will be setting due date December 18, kay that is, I think, the last day for our work. Submission. So, you can have time, select time, and then the topic. The topic is, pwede ka mag-add, pwede po dili. So, this is from module 4. The Earth's, later. The Earth's mechanism. And then, convection current. Oops. Okay, save. Okay, that's it. So, naana siya. And then, nagingon man ta nga, please see attached file. So, on the upper right, murag na din ay clip, kanang murag forma sa clip. I-click na siya so that you can attach file. So, in the attached file, pwede ka, kung magkuha ka sa imong file, ug asa na siya gikan nakasave sa imuha. So, for example, kung may file nakadaan, it could be in the Google Drive or any link. So, dirita sa file. Okay, so naa naman ko na-save kaganiha. This is the rubrics. So, you just wait for it to download. Nga ma-attach siya. So, ana jud ni usa sa problema no sa atong online platform is the signal. But anyways, it could be managed. Anad naman ta ana. No? We can make another way mampod. Or huwat lang jud. Diba? Anad naman ta maghuwat. Charot.